Good morning, guys. So today is firework day, or bonfire night, or Guy Fawkes night, or whatever you want to call it. So I went to a gig yesterday, and today I'm gonna just go see my nan. Exciting stuff. To go give her a birthday present and go around town, and then I'm gonna go to see the fireworks tonight. So I thought I'd vlog it. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna film much of me like at my nan's or anything, but I thought you'd like to see some pretty fireworks. So that's about it. Yeah. So I shall see you later. You might see clips of my day, or you might just see me when I'm freezing cold and standing in a field looking at pretty sparkly fire. See you soon.